na.
Hello, what's up guys? Good morning. So nandito tayo sa Cogon Pardo. So yung event pala natin is birthday. So 85 years old. Ayan. So ito yung location nila guys. Ayan. So ayan guys. Nakalimutan namin yung stand sa speaker namin, so nilagyan mo lang namin ng box na lang, no, kaysa bumalik kami doon, ang layo na kasi. So ayan, so paraan na lang po tayo kung anong diskarte natin dyan. So ayun, nilagyan na ni Alin ng tela para ito na lang yung gagamitin nating stand. So wala pero goods naman, okay na yan kaysa wala tayong gawin, no?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great evening for all of us as we come together to celebrate this wonderful gift, the gift of life, as our dear together. All right, everybody, clap your hands. Yes, ito na. Maria Salón Gasa.
Looking for a better place. Something's on my mind. Always on my
The moon's got a grip on the sea. You're gonna live forever with all. Where's that now? All the children, please. Happy birthday to you. Come on, everybody. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow! Come on, everybody! At least nag-level up sa iyong performance. Big round of applause to Mama Mary! Wow, wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan? Make some noise!
Yan guys, pauwi na po kami. So Nay, ikaw na lang bahala dyan, Nay. Let's go. Nandito pala si Aljuntan.
Let's go, let's go!
Right. So, dito ko na lang tutupusin yung video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Babush!